Hello students, I wish you all are safe and fine. So before starting the video, please go through the link and like, share and subscribe the video. Now come back to the exercise and remaining part of the exercise 3G, factorize. We will do from question number 5 and this exercise we will do in this video. We have completed up to question number 4 in my previous video. So let's start the question number 5. 125 a cube plus b cube plus 64 c cube minus 60 abc. Here you have to make it in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 abc. So 125 means 5 cube. So you can write it 5a whole cube plus b cube plus 64 means 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, 4c whole cube minus 3a means 5a small a, b means b and c means 4c. Now compare these to the given expression. So 125 a cube plus b cube plus 64 c cube minus 3 5s are 15, 4s are 60, a b c. So both are same. So it means you know the a cube plus, here I am taking capital A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3a b c is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. You know this relation. So we will use here the given relation. Now you can write it. A means 5a, b means small b and c means 4 and small c, 4c. So you can convert it in the form of a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So you can write this like a plus b plus c, 5a plus b plus 4c here is equal to, for this a square means 5a square plus b square means small b square, c square means 4c whole square minus ab means 5a into b, ab minus bc small b into 4c and minus ac means 5a small a and 4c multiply by 4 small c. So you will get 5a plus b plus 4c and 5 5s are 25 a square plus b square plus 4 4s are 16 c square minus 5ab minus 4bc minus 5 4s are 20 ac. So the factor of the given expression will be, this is answer. Now question number 6, a cube plus 8b cube plus 64c cube minus 24abc. So we will convert it in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, when we convert this in this form, then we can factorize this expression, or we can say the given expression in the form a plus b plus c a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Here capital A is equal to, let A is equal to small a, capital A is equal to small a, and capital B is equal to, you can write it 2q, so 2b. Capital C is equal to, this is 4q, so 4c. Now you can write this expression is equal to aq plus 2b whole cube plus 4c whole cube minus 3 a b c. Small a, b means 2b and c means 4c. Now compare it to the given expression. A cube plus b cube plus c cube, same, minus 3 to the 6, 4 the 24, ABC. So it means you can convert this expression in this form. So this becomes a plus b plus c, means here a is small a, b is 2b and c is plus 4c. A plus b plus c, now a square. A square means small a square, b square means 2b whole square, you can write it 4b square, and c square, 4 4s are 16, c square, 16 c square, this is small c, minus ab, so ab minus a, you can write it 2ab minus bc, multiply these two terms, 2b into 4c, 4 2s are 8 bc, and minus ac, 4 ac. So write down minus 4 small a small c. So this is the answer. In the question number 7, make it in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So here you can write it 1 cube plus b cube plus 2c whole cube minus 3, a means 1, b means small b, and c means 2c. See, this is 1 cube plus b cube plus 2c whole cube, 3 2s are 6 bc. So the expressions are same, and you can break it in the form of a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So you can write in your notebook this equation, or we can say identity. I am not writing here, I am only factorize it by using this identity. So you can write it here, capital A is 1, capital B is small b, and capital C is 2c. So a plus b plus c, 1 plus b plus 2c. A square means 1 square plus b square means small b square, c square means 2c square. So you can write it 2 to the 4 c square minus ab minus ab. So here ab means minus 1 into b, minus bc means minus bc, 2 bc, you can write it 2 bc. These are small letters and these are capital. Minus ac means ac, 2 into 1 into c, 2c. So this is the answer, or we can say the factors of the given expression. Question number 8, you can write 216 as 6 cube. 6 6 are 36, 6 are 216, plus this is 3b whole cube, 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27, plus 2 to the 4 to the 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2c cube, minus 3abc means 3 into 6 into 3b into 2c. Now match it. So 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 6 are 108 BC. It means you can break it in the form of here a plus b plus c, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Now put the values in the given equation. So here a means 6, let a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3b and c is equal to 2c. These are in small letters. Now you can convert this expression in the form of a plus b plus c. Here you can put is equal to 6 plus 3b plus 2c, a plus b plus c, a square means 6 square plus 3b whole square plus c square means 2c whole square, here use another bracket, minus ab, 6 3s are 18 b. So write directly or I am showing here a, b means 3b, a means 6 minus bc, this is 3b into 2c minus ac means 6 into 2c, 6 into 2c, and open it. 6 plus 3b plus 2c and 6 6 are 36 plus 3 3s are 9b square plus 4c square minus 6 3s are 18b minus 3 2s are 6bc minus 6 2s are 12c. Answer. Question number 9 is same. We will use this identity. So substitute the value here. A cube means, this is a cube means 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So you can write it 3 small a whole cube minus b cube plus 2c whole cube minus 3 into a b c, 3 into 3a into b into 2c. Now check it, 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18 abc, and here b means a cube plus b cube plus c cube. In the question the positive signs, so it means we are taking capital B is equal to minus b. So you can write it plus and minus b whole cube, so that this minus and minus becomes plus. So this expression will be same. We are changing it in this form where a is equal to 3a, b is equal to minus b and c is equal to 2c. So you can convert in this form. So write here a plus b plus c means 3a plus, this is minus b plus C means 2C and A square means 3A whole square plus B square means minus B square plus C square means 2C square minus AB means 3A into minus B minus BC means minus B into 2C and minus AC means 3A into 2C. Now 3A minus B plus 2C, and here it becomes 3 is a 9A square and this minus square becomes plus, so right here plus B square plus 4C square minus minus plus 3AB, and here minus minus plus 2BC, and this minus 3 to the 6 AC. This is, so students, it is not captured, so I am explaining once again. Here we are using the identity of A square plus B square plus C square minus 3AB minus AB minus BC minus AC. We are substituting the values of A, B, C, and this is our answer. Question number 10. So you can write it in the form of cube 2A whole cube plus 5B whole cube minus 4C whole cube minus 3ABC into 2A into 5B into 4C. Let's say here A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Here C cube means you can put the sign plus and minus 4C whole cube. So right here minus 4C. 3 2 is 6, 5 is 30, 4 is 120, and minus minus plus. It means these are same. So you can convert it in the form of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A cube, A plus not cube, A plus B plus C, A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC, where A is equal to 2A small a, B is equal to 5B, and C is equal to minus 4C. This is small c. So substitute these value to factorize the given expression in this part. So this becomes, here you can put the sign of is equal to A plus B plus C means 2A plus 5B plus and minus 4C. A square means 2A square plus B square means 5B square plus C square means minus 4C square minus AB. So 2A into 5B minus BC. Here B is 5B, C is minus 4C. So 5B into minus 4C minus AC. A is 2A and C is minus 4C. Now solve it and get the answer, which is the factors of the given expressions. So you can match the answer. Next question 11. Now question number 11. First you convert in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Here 2 cube plus this is minus 3b cube plus 343, you can write 7 cube. So in the bracket minus 7c whole cube minus 3a means 2, b means minus 3b and c means minus 7c. Here you will take ABC with sign, because here a cube plus b cube plus c cube, here plus sign, and if this is negative, so you can take the value with the sign. Now convert it and check whether the forms are same. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 7s are 126, BC, and minus minus plus minus minus, so minus. It means this is of the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So you can convert it in the form of a plus b plus c, a square minus b square, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So this expression, or we can say this expression, you can equate in this form: a plus b plus c means 2 plus minus 3b plus minus 7c. Now a square means 2 square plus b square means minus 3b square whole square plus c square means minus 7c whole square minus ab means 2 into minus 3b minus bc means minus 3b into minus 7c, and minus ac means 2 into minus 7c. Now solve it and get the answer, or you can say factors of the given expression. So these are factors of the given expression. Now question number 12, 125 minus 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 90xy. So it is of the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Check it. So you can write it: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Here convert it: 5 cube minus 2x, take minus in the bracket, 2x whole cube, because here b is attached with the sign of plus, plus c cube. So plus c means minus 3y whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3, a means 5 into b means minus 2x into c means minus 3y. Now minus minus plus minus minus, so this is minus, and 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30, 3s are 90 xy. It means it is the form of like this: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Convert it in the factors of this expression: a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac, where a is equal to 5, B is equal to minus 2x and C is equal to minus 3y. Substitute these value in the vectors. So you can write it here, put the is equal to sign. A plus B plus C means 5 plus minus 2x plus minus 3y. A plus B plus C, and for this A square means 5 square plus B square means minus 2x whole square plus C square means minus 3y whole square, minus AB 5 into minus 2x minus BC minus 2x into minus 3y, here minus 3y, minus AC, A means 5, C means minus 3y. Now this sign minus and solve it yourself. This is not catch by the camera. Once again I am explaining. A plus B plus C, these are the values. A square plus B square plus C square, A square, B square, C square, minus AB, minus BC, minus AC, minus AB, this into this, minus BC, this into this, and minus AC. Here A means 5, C means minus 3y. So solve it and match the answer. Now see the answer. Next question 13, 2 root 2 a cube plus 16 root 2 b cube plus c cube minus 12 ab. Now we will convert it in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So what is a, what is b, what is c? So first I will say here 2 root 2. You can write it in the form of 2 means root 2 into root 2, and this is root 2. So root 2 whole cube, and see the 16 root 2. You can write it 8 to the 16, 8 into 2 root 2, and 8 means 2 cube, and 2 means root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So this becomes 2 cube into root 2 cube, or you can write it in combine 2 root 2 whole cube. Now come to this expression. So convert it in the form of root 2 a whole cube, this is, and 16 root 2, you can write 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 b whole cube plus c cube minus 3 a means root 2 small a, b means 2 root 2 small b into c. Check it, are they same? So root 2 into root 2 means 2, 2 to the 4, 3 is 12, 12 ABC. It means a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, you know, this you can write it a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Now substitute the values. A is root 2, let capital A is equal to root 2 a, and b is equal to 2 root 2 B and C is equal to small c. So you will get the value of this factors. A plus B plus C means root 2A plus 2 root 2B plus C into A square means root 2A square plus B square means 2 root 2 small b square plus C square minus AB means this into this, root 2A into 2 root 2B minus AB minus BC, so BC 2 root 2B into C minus AC means root 2A into C. Now solve it further. So you can get root 2A plus 2 root 2B plus C into root 2 square means 2A square. Here 2 root 2 square, 2 to the 4 and root 2 square means 2, 4 to the 8. So write it 8B square plus C square minus here 2 and this root 2 becomes 2. So 2 to the 4 minus 4 AB. Next minus 2 root 2 BC minus root 2 AC minus root 2 AC. This is the factors of the given expression. Question number 14. 27x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 9xyz. So convert it in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So you can write it 3x cube whole cube, and for b plus minus y whole cube, and for c plus minus z whole cube, minus 3, a means 3x, b means minus y and c means minus z. Now see 3 3s are 9 and minus minus plus minus 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 9 x y z. It means this is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc in this form, and you can factorize it to the a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, and a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Now substitute the value of a means 3x, b means minus y, c means minus z, and get the answer. Now question number 15. 2 root 2 a cube plus 3 root 3 b cube plus c cube minus 3 root 6 abc. 2 root 2 a cube, 2 means root 2 into root 2 and this into root 2. So you can write it root 2 a whole cube plus same here root 2 into root 2, sorry, root 3 into root 3 means 3, and this root 3 becomes root 3 whole cube. So root 3 b whole cube. You can write 3 root 3 in the form of cube plus c cube minus 3, a means root 2 small a, b means root 3b and c means c. Now 3 root 3 and root 2 becomes root 6, 3 root 6 a b c and minus. It means you can write it in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, see here, I am not writing here again, but you have to write in your notebook all must. A plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. You convert a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc in this form. So here a plus b plus c, a is root 2 small a plus root 3 small b plus c. So a plus b plus c, now a square means root 2a square plus b square means root 3b square plus c square. So a square, here a square plus b square plus c square, we are putting the values. Minus ab means minus root 2a into root 3b minus bc root 3b into c minus ac means this is a, this is c, root 2a into c. Now solve it and get the answer. Now see the answer. Next question 16. Question number 16. 3 root 3 a cube minus b cube minus 5 root 5 c cube minus 3 root 15 abc. So 3 means root 3 into root 3 and this root 3 becomes root 3 whole cube. So you can make it in the form of cube, root 3 a whole cube. And here take minus sign in the bracket and plus minus b whole cube plus, you can write 5 in the form of root 5 into root 5 and this is root 5. So this you can write it root 5 cube, and if you are taking, you have to take minus sign in the bracket. So root 5 c whole cube minus 3 abc means root 3 a, b means minus b and c means minus root 5c. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3, mesh this in this part. So 3 and root 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15, so 3 root 15 a b c, and here minus minus plus minus minus. So you can write it a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 a b c is equal to a plus b plus c and a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Now a, let a is equal to root 3a, b is equal to minus b and c is equal to minus root 5 small c. Substitute these values in these factors. So you will get from here a plus b plus c means root 3a plus minus b and c plus minus root 5 c. Another bracket you have to use. Next a square means root 3 a whole square, b square means plus minus b square plus c square means in the bracket minus root 5 c square minus ab minus ab, here root 3a and b is minus b minus bc minus b is minus b and c is minus root 5 small c and minus ac. So right here minus A means root 3a and C is into here, it is here AC. C means minus root 5 C. Now solve it and see what you will get. Here root 3a minus b and this plus minus minus root 5c. This is the part, and here 3a square minus square means plus b square. This minus square become plus and 5 plus 5c square, and here minus and minus plus root 3ab for this part, then minus and minus into minus plus into minus minus root 5 bc, and third part is minus into minus plus and 5 3 is 15 AC, root 15 AC. This is the answer, factors of the given expression. So students, this exercise is remaining part we will do in our next video, and up to question number 16 from 4 to 16 we have done in this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video and give comments. Thank you.